Hundreds of mourners joined family and well-known figures from the Irish music industry in Dublin today for a final send-off for Oscar-winning musician Glen Hansard. His funeral took place at St. Patrick's Cathedral with music, song, poetry and tributes to the singer-songwriter who was described as generous and compassionate.
The final journey of a singer whose music travelled the world. Family, friends and fans gathered outside St. Patrick's Cathedral in Dublin today for the funeral of Oscar-winning Irish songwriter Glen Hansard. Inside, the singer was remembered as a gifted musician and devoted father.
I want to thank him for the life we shared, searching for truth and beauty side by side. We found it in our son, Christy. He cannot be here today. He is too young to witness or understand an event of such scale.
He wanted us to be better when we realized, more than we realized that we could be. For his little brothers, he did those hard stuff. He instilled morals, a moral compass. He took responsibility and would say, "You're not doing that, you're not missing school, you're not spray painting walls."
Singer Damien Dempsey was among those who performed. And Bono read a spoken word version of the U2 song Beautiful Day. He said Glen Hansard was friends with everyone.
People in the green outside in the park, best friends. People tuning in, best friends. And it's not messing.
During the homily, Very Reverend Dr. William Morton said Glen Hansard's songs would be loved for generations to come.
Those who knew Glen speak not only of his talent, but of his generosity, his humility, his warmth, and his instinctive kindness.
The funeral cortege left St. Patrick's Cathedral and travelled to Mount Jerome for a private cremation service. Aisling Kenny, RTE News, Dublin.